Welcome to our everyday Pacifica Eco Tips with some daily easy things you can do in your daily life to help save our planet. Our Moana is in a climate emergency, so join us to be part of the solution.
Hola, my name is Jane and today we're going to be making a plant-based spaghetti bolognese. Now you may be wondering why we're making this on Eco Tips. Well, plant-based meals are actually really good for the environment. So let's get into it and I'll be explaining more as we go on. So we have mixed veggies, the spaghetti that we're going to use, your paste or your sauces, whichever one you would want, you'd prefer. Also, the star of the show, our ground mince, which is not meat at all. It's actually made out of soy and wheat, as well as other plant-based material.
First things first, chop up your garlic and onions.
A lot of Pacific Island countries have a lot of plant-based meals, such as in Fiji, we have something called wakalolo, which is grounded up, pounded up yam, which you caramelize. And it's a dessert that we may be going to try out right here on Eco Tips.
Very important to wash your spaghetti noodles just because you never know how these things are packaged. And once you bring your water to a boil, you add in your noodles.
Now also, these are really cheap, 3 for $20. So you've got 3 meals already sorted just for $20.
Next, you heat your pan to medium heat, add your onions first and then your garlic later just because garlic browns faster. Get your mince ready. Also, you can add whichever seasoning you prefer. I like the Moroccan seasoning because it tastes like a whole mixture of spices in one. Once you've added your mince to the onion and garlic, you then pour in your sauce and let it reduce a little. Also, why ground mince? The vitamins and minerals, phytochemicals and antioxidants in this help keep your cells healthy and your body in balance so that your immune system can function at its best. Add your seasoning and then just for an added healthy boost, add your mixed vegetables. I really don't like mushy veggies, so we'll add them last. Most people like to pour their mince onto their spaghetti noodles, but I like to cook my noodles into the mince and sauce, just so it absorbs all that flavor. Also, fun fact, why plant-based? It supports your immune system. Plants have essential nutrients that you cannot get from any other food.
And there we have it, our vegetarian plant-based spaghetti bolognese. Now the thing is, you would not believe that it has no meat. The ground mince is actually soy and wheat. Now, it doesn't have to be the way I cooked it. You can cook it to your liking, but let's try it out. Thank you so much for joining me as we made this plant-based meal. Now, I challenge you this week, try and cook up a plant-based meal for yourself or your family. But until next time, ni mo there.